Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to live stream. All of you, welcome to live stream only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. Very good evening, hi everyone. So, how are you all doing? I welcome all of you all over here for this live stream. We'll be making up some cool Python project. Great. So, what I'll do, I'll just help you out with a little bit of brief about what is currently going over the channel and what is currently not going over the channel, right? And like how are we proceeding up with the stuffs and everything? How are the videos coming up over and the same. Okay, so I'll help you out with the same stuffs about the channel, like what are the videos going on and the rest of the stuffs. So if I start on with onto the Monday, we have in some generalized videos, as in few generalized videos, I'll say the sort of the videos which help you to gain in some extra information as in about the freelancing, about the tools of freelancing, how you can start earning at the early ages, right? These types of videos come up over the Monday. Next on Tuesdays we have up the videos which are the compilation of my videos, my previous videos. So currently the statistics series is going on. Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, these 3 days we have in your data structures and algorithms using your Python programming language. Okay, these three stuffs we have up over here. Next Saturday, so we have the live streams, and Sundays you have a shorts video, shorts that come up with some informative things for you all, right? So yeah, that's all what is currently going in at the other like onto the channel completely, about all the weekdays and the weekends also which we have up over there, right? Just a second everyone. So I hope like you all got it, that idea that what is currently going and like how are the things going over there, right? Okay, actually I wasn't able to see the chart up till now. Now the chart is visible. Just a minute everyone. Hi Irshad, hi, welcome to the live stream. Hi Om, welcome to the live stream. Okay, just a minute everyone. Hi Ishika, welcome to the live stream. Okay Ishad, good to hear that out. Very good to hear that out. Okay Ishika, very good to hear that out. Hi Ankit, I'm doing good. Thank you. Thanks for asking. Okay, great. Fine everyone. So yeah, I hope all of you are doing super good also at your ends. So yes, currently I told you about all the ideas which are currently going on and like how the stuff's going on onto the channel and all of those stuff, right? So today we are here, we'll be doing up a sort of a project, and that will include some sort of a game. Okay, so we'll be doing up some game project over here today. I'll be introducing up that in a very short while. Just let people join in the class, and then I'll be introducing about the same. Okay, so yeah, that's what all is going in currently. And yeah, so the IDE which I will be using up at my end today for making up this project, that IDE is pycharm. Okay, so now at your ends you can use any IDEs, as in like you can use Visual Studio Codes, you can use Jupyter notebooks, okay, and you can use over the I'll say Spyder. Even you can use Google Colab today because this will not require up any installation of the library. So yeah, you can use up the Google Colab also and rest of the stuffs. Okay, just a minute. I'm not sure like why is the chart not visible to me over here today. Okay. Fine. So that's what is currently like going over here, and that is what is the IDE which we will be using up over here today. Hi Shalini, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Great everyone. So what I'll do, I'll just introduce up this project for today, like what's the project that we are having in up today over here, and like how that has to be proceeding further. So the project which we have in up for today, it's we'll be making a project of the guessing word game. Okay, so it will be a sort of a one that I'll be giving up some words over there as in for the input. Okay. Now, what's the topic? Yeah, Nikhil, I was introducing the topic itself only for today, and the topic is making up a guessing word game. Okay, so this guessing word game will be all about that. Let's say I have given in some of the words. Let's say it's coding, programming, Python. Okay, let's say these are some words which I have given up over here for today. Now, when I run in my program, like randomly I'll be getting any word, but that will not be the word. It will be star 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 star. At the place of characters, I'll be having some stars. Right? What will be the length? Based over that, I'll be having up the stars. And then it will tell me that this is the length of your complete, I'll say, the word. Right? Now, let's say I entered a character which is C. Right, so if the C is into that particular word, it will tell me that yes, C is into this particular word of yours which you have to find in. Okay, if I will have, let's say, A. If I write in A, so it will tell me that yes, A is into this particular word which you have to find in. So it will tell me about that hints, and with this help of the same thing, I will be able to find in my exact word that I was looking in for, or that has been asked me out. So this is what is a sort of a game I'll be making up today. We'll be developing up this particular game over here for today. Right, so I hope I am pretty clear with the same thing for everyone about this respective game that we will be designing in. Again, I'll be repeating, PyCharm is the IDE which I am using. You can use any of the IDEs of your choice. You can use Spyder, Jupyter Notebooks, VS Code, Sublime Text, Google Colab, anything. Right, so it depends on to you what you want to use in. Hi Abhishek, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Hi Rahul, welcome to the live stream, and it's Pranam. I hope you are doing good. Great everyone. So yeah, welcome everyone to live stream. Okay, let's start in the project for today. Okay, and let's proceed in everyone. So what I'm going to do is that first of all I'll be importing up our respective module. Today I will not be using any library. Okay, I'll be using up a module. And what's the difference between a module and a library? So in Python, modules are pre-installed. It means that you do not need to install those at your end. Right? And if I'm talking about your libraries, so libraries are not installed. You have to write in up a command for installing. So today I am using up a respective module. It means that I do not need to install it up for today, right? Hi Mahesh, welcome to the live stream. Hi Pranav, welcome to the live stream everyone. I'll be writing import random. That is what I am doing up over here, is that I am just trying to import up my random module from my Python library, right? That's what I just wanted to do up over here. Next is I'll be defining up a function, def. So let's say my function name is def word choice. Okay, I just defined up a function over here into the Python, and that's the name for my particular function, right? Just a second. Rahul, beach में noise आ रहा है. Guys, is that so like is some background noise or anything coming up over here in between? I'm Okay, actually maybe it's raining up at my end, so maybe some outside noise or something is coming. Okay, so yeah, just sorry for that, everyone. If you can please manage it for today. It's like raining a lot over here where I am today, so that's the reason might be. Great. So yeah, def word choice, that's what I was talking in about, right? And that's one of my functions which I have made in. Right, next I'll be writing my underscore words as a variable. Right, my underscore words as a variable that I am just like trying to write up over here, and putting up the large brackets for the same. I'll be mentioning in some words of my choice. Let's say my words which I want to mention as I can give pycharm, let's say. Okay, I can give, let's say, coding. I can, let's say, give here something like Python. Okay, Python, Python. Okay, let's say these three are the words which currently I am going to give in. Find the pycharm, coding and Python, my three different words which I'm trying to give in up over here. Now, I'll be making up a variable, let's say that is a word. W-O-R-D, right? I'm just trying to make up a variable, let's say that is word. And here I'm just going to write random.choice. So choice is one of the functions which I am having in from the random module, and it will help me to randomly choose any of the respective words from my function. Okay, so word is equal to random.choice, and into the bracket I have my underscore words. And I'm just going to convert everything into the lowercase, because we know that in Python, if your word is in the P, it is capital, so it won't take that as a small, it will show you error, right? So it's the reason I'm just converting everything into the small cases. Now no worries, simply you can start writing up the rest of the stuffs, and if you have written in capitals also, it will automatically convert that into the smalls, right? And I'm just going to write return over here and the word as a variable. Fine. So yes, that's what all I have it up over here, the words, the random and return the words, right? If you people can confirm me, am I clear up to this particular place, everyone? Okay, Nikhil is saying yes, Urdit is saying yes. Okay, Rahul, no background noise nahi hai. Prateek, ma'am, from where you did the Python course, please update us. Okay, Prateek, Python course. Okay, Prateek, for Python, I haven't like referred to any respective sort of a course or something, right? I have just randomly learned it from different websites and different books. But I guess you wanted to talk about the data science course which was over there, right? So that data science course I have taken it from one of the startups actually, but currently that startup is not providing up that data science course, right? So that's the reason I don't want to let you know people about the same thing, right? Once that is again available back into the market, I'll tell you the name for that particular course. Okay, so that's the idea. Ishika, yes, not background noise, there is noise. Hello, cell signals, some voice clear. Okay, just a minute, everyone. Just let me do one thing over here. Okay, fine. Let's do one thing. Let's proceed in everyone further over here, and we'll see like how is it going further, right? Let's proceed in. Fine. So my choice of the word is actually being done. I just have mentioned in my word and my choice and converted that to the lowercase also. Now I'll be making up a next sort of a function for me, right? And that next function will be, I'll say it will be guess underscore word. Now into that I'll be passing two different variables. One will be the variable of the word, and second will be the variable of word underscore thing. I'll be initializing those in some time, but what I'll be doing is that I'll be just simply taking up the variable. I'll be making a function that is guess underscore word, right? Into that, word is one of my parameters or the arguments which I'm passing, and word underscore thing is my other argument which I'm passing, right? So I'll be just passing up these two different arguments over there. 1 second. Okay, Rahul clear. Okay, Mohammed clear now. Nikhil, now the beep voice is gone or the voice is clear and sweet. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot everyone. Thanks a lot Mohammed. Thanks a lot Nikhil. Thanks a lot Uday. Thank you for the confirmation, guys. Perfect then. Great. So yeah, div guess underscore word was my name of the function, right? And okay, Rahul, thank you. Thanks for the confirmation. And word is respective variable. Word underscore thing is another variable, right? Now I'll be making up a one empty variable, and that is guess underscore word. Right, I'll be making up an empty variable that is guess underscore word. So okay, just a second everyone. Again noise, signal creating the noise. Again noise. Okay. Just a minute everyone. Okay, if it is clear then fine guys. Okay, let's proceed in then. Okay everyone. Great, so I was just trying to make up an empty variable for guess underscore word, right? And I'm just gonna keep in these double inverted quotations over here. Next what are we gonna do? I'm just gonna apply up a for loop, right? So for that for loop for character in word. So what I'm trying to do is that I'll be finding up the different characters into my word. Word is what? That's one of the variables into which I had set in some different types of words, right? So for the character into the word, I'll be just putting up some conditions. So my condition goes as, just for a second. Yeah, my condition goes is that if character is a variable which I have taken up from here, right? If character, just a minute everyone. Okay, so yeah, next I have my respective function over here that if character in word underscore okay, fine, let's proceed in everyone. Okay, just a minute. With no issues of noise or sleep. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot. No, Mohammed, we do not have them. I do not have the mosquitoes, but there is one bee and don't know, that's very irritating. So yeah, it's over there now. It's fine. Okay, let it believe it. Yeah, it's rainy, right, Ravi, it's rainy season, and this time it's very messy. Okay, let's proceed in. So I have in characters over here. I have the character over here. If character in word underscore think, right? Word underscore think is my variable which I have just made it up over there. Today surely this bee will not let me do live stream. I'm sure with that. Okay, let's proceed in everyone. So if character in word underscore think, what I'll do is that I'll just get down over here and I'll just take in a variable guess underscore word. Okay, is equal to. I'll just write guess underscore word plus I'll be doing up the character. So character is my respective thing which I have taken up into the for loop. Generally we take for I in word. We just take the I loop, right? I just took up a character loop over here, and with just that help of that character loop, the things are being working out, right? So if you want, you can just take I simply over here, or otherwise this also works out fine. Great. So otherwise what next will be the done, next I'll be applying up a else condition. So I'll just do over here else. Okay, and my else condition goes, I just have this guess underscore word as a variable, right? I'll just do that guess underscore word plus, if you remember in the starting I told you that there will be some stars present up over there, right? For the total number of the length of my I'll say of the word, we have different stars over there, right? So for that stars, for that particular length, stars will appear. So this is that same star which will be appearing up over there as a result. Fine. So yes, that's else thing which I did. And next I'll be writing up a return one. So return, and I'll be returning up the guess underscore word, right? Great. So if you people can get me a confirmation, am I clear up till this particular place to all of you, like what I did into this particular function of guess underscore word? And till that time I'll just like check out your charts. Yeah, Ravi, it's rainy season because of that. Okay, hi Amit, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Yeah, Udit, it's rainy season, right? Amit, आज बहुत टाइम बाद लेक्चर अटेंड कर रहा हूँ आपका. Okay, it's great Amit to have you over here and looking forward for the same in the further sessions also. Okay, yeah, Mohammed, the B is irritating very much. Pratik, word think is a word that you need to guess or the word you have guessed. No, Pratik, word underscore think, this will be a word which you will be guessing at your end, which you will guess. Okay, the word which you will guess, and for that you will be getting some hints. It's that respective word. Okay. उदित, बहुत दिन में लेक्चर लिया तो पढ़ाई में ध्यान लगा. Okay. Vlogging, ma'am, give any idea for a mini project for a BTech second year student? For a BTech second year student, vlogging arena, if I'm talking about, so if you want, you can go over some projects as in making up some mini projects. You can take in some making of some calculator, right? Or developing up the simple game which I'm showing you today over here. This is a very good and a very cool thing which you can take in. Okay, and yeah, these kinds of projects could be taken in. You can develop some different types of small games. You can develop some calculators. You can develop up some sort of, I'll say, we have made a project for the ATM machine, right? That's type of projects you can make, and you can convert text to PDF, PDF to text, text to Word, Word to PDF, like that you can do. Okay, Ashika, thank you for the confirmation. And Rahul, both think abhi declare nahi kiya kyun? Rahul, that will be declaring up in a short while, because we are actually going to store the word, like whatever we'll be finding, जो भी हम लोग find out करेंगे, जो भी हमारे word के characters होंगे, वो सारे के सारे I will try to put up into this word underscore think variable. ठीक है, so that is the reason राहुल कि हम लोगों ने इसको mention up यहाँ पर नहीं किया है अभी तक, क्योंकि मेरे जो भी output होगा उसमें मुझे जो भी word find करना होगा वो word underscore think में आएगा. Fine. Hi Ashutosh, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Great, so that's done. Now next I'll be again declaring up a new function. And now this function, as I told you, it will help me to collect up the alphabet. I told you in the starting, right? We will be making up a sort of a game into which it will even actually like find out the different words over there. It will help me to tell, okay, C is a character which is into your word, or A is a character which is into your word. Like that it will help me to tell. right? So this collect underscore ALP function will do the same thing for me. It will help me to get in what are the different types of the I'll say the things or the characters which we have up into my respective function. Fine, so that's done. Great, so I'll just write in character underscore guess. That is equal to empty list. Okay, character underscore guess, and that is equal to our empty list. I'm just completely making that empty over here, right? And I will even set up the total how many chances can you take in. Okay, so I will just take in the chances like whatever is the length of my word, I'll just multiply by that by 2, and that will be my number of chances. Let's say my word is having up a length of 6. So what I'll do, I'll just try to multiply it by 2. So 12 will be my maximum chances for giving the right answer. Okay, so that I'll be doing. I'll be writing int, I'll be finding a length of my word, and I'll just try to multiply that by 2. Right, and that's all done. And then I'll be just trying to print up a statement which will help me to get in sort of a sentence like that. The word you are going to guess is, right? I'll put a plus sign over here. I'll do the convert that to the string, the length of the word, right? I'll just do that, comma, not comma, I'll just put a plus sign over there, is this characters. Like that I can print up a statement over here. Okay, that the word which you're trying to find and it is having this respective character or these many characters over here. Fine, that is what is the respective thing to be done. Okay, great, that is done. So now that particular things it's trying to checking in that what are the respective things we are having or what are respective characters I'm having in. Fine, so I'm actually up till this particular place to everyone. Amel, on Monday I'll launch my channel. Okay, that's very great, Amit, and best wishes for the same to you. राहुल मैम पाइथन डेवलपर रोल के लिए डीजांगो फ्लास्क केपीआई टेस्टिंग कंपलसरी होती है या कंडीशनल ऑप्शन? सी राहुल, पाइथन डेवलपर एक ऐसा एक पर्टिकुलर जॉब रोल है जहाँ पे आपको हर एक चीज़ की थोड़ी थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन होनी नेसेसरी होती है, राइट? एज इन आप जैसे कि आप पूछ रहे हो डीजांगो एपीआई टेस्टिंग, सो हाँ, आपको इन सभी चीज़ों की नॉलेज होनी चाहिए पाइथन डेवलपर के फील्ड के लिए, ठीक है? तो ये जितनी भी चीज़ें होती हैं, जितनी भी लाइब्रेरीज वगैरह होती हैं, सारी की सारी रिक्वायर होती हैं पाइथन डेवलपर के फील्ड में, ठीक है? सो दैट इज वन. Okay, next is Pratik. Word think is a list of characters. Word underscore think, yes, that is no. Word underscore think आपका list का characters नहीं है. Word underscore think is a variable. The list for your words is your my underscore words, right? And word underscore think is the respective word which you will be writing as in a input from your side when the program is gonna run out. Okay, that is what is word underscore think. Hi Movie Villa, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. I need to close. Acha, yes, thank you. Thanks a lot for this one. Thanks a lot for helping me out over here. Thank you, thanks a lot Pratik, and I must say very good observation. Thank you. Hi Sarthak, welcome to the live stream. Most welcome Rahul, most welcome. Great, yes, so that's all done. I'll just go down over here and I'll just put in my condition of while true. Okay, that is my condition which I'm setting up. So now, if total underscore chances, my condition first of all will be if my total chances is not equal to 0. It means that once if I have entered something wrong, in that case my chances will not be equal to 0, right? So into that case what I will try to do, I will just try to demonstrate that total how many chances are left for me. I'll just try to demonstrate out that respective thing, right? So I'll just try to print up over here with the help of my if strings that you are still left with, and into the bracket I'll putting up the variable that is total underscore chance, so that I'm left with this much number of chances. So if strings are a type of, I'll say, one of the functions which we have up over here into the Python programming language, which help you to print up anything which you want. Let's say there is a scenario that I want a value of a variable to be printed up in between one of my sentences. Right, so yes, there you will be using total this if strings, and this will help you to do the same thing in a very simpler manner. That are what are the if strings, okay? So yeah, you are still left out with this much number of chances. I just want to print out one more statement over here, and that is that my word is, right? And I'll just try to use in that guess underscore word that I declared up above, and into that I'll be passing my word, and I'll be passing up my character underscore guess variable. So character underscore guess is my empty, which will help me to store the different characters which I have guessed, and those are into my word which I have to guess out. Fine. So that is what is this whole statement all about. Then I'll just print up a statement that how many total number of letters you have guessed in. So I'll just write letters guessed, right? I'll just try to write in that thing, and I'll just try to put in up a plus sign over here, write in str, and I'll just write in that character underscore guess. So character underscore guess was an empty list, right? Now it will keep on adding and storing up all the respective characters which are into my list, and I am guessing them correctly, right? So once all the characters have been guessed, those have been stored onto a list. You can create up a word from there also, and you can check it if it is working at your end, right? And then I can just simply make it up a variable like guessing, somewhat like that. Guessing is equal to, I'll be taking up the input over here, right? And I'll just write that the guess is, and I'll just write dot, I'll just convert that everything to the lowercase at the 0th index. Fine, so converting everything to the lowercase at the 0th index. That's what all I have done over here. So it's just all over that if my chances is not equal to 0, it means that once I have given some answer wrong, once I have written some wrong character, after that all of these things will start working, and all of these things will start functioning upon, right? So just confirm me out, everyone. Am I clear up till this particular place to all of you? Pratik, if I'm talking about my Python course, so Pratik, it's not that I have done up any particular Python course. Python I have learned in from different websites and the things. From where you learn Python course? Achha, for 6 months. Okay, that was a data science course, Pratik. And I said now that currently that particular startup doesn't provide up that data science course. Currently it is not into the market, right? And that is the reason I'm not disclosing it up over here. Once it is into the market, I'll let you know. Okay, that's the idea. Sarthak, I've started learning C language. Sarthak, it's so very good. You can start with any of the programming languages, right? You should develop up your basics very clearly, right? And just try to work in as much practice as you can. It will help you to build up the logic building and build up the base, and then further it will be very much beneficial for you. Okay. Pratik, where are you adding the characters guessed inside character? Underscore guess. Okay, so under character underscore guess. Okay, see, character underscore guess, this is sort of a empty first of all variable for me, right? Currently it is an empty variable for me. Name is Pratik, right? Now into this I haven't written up anything which will help me to add up something up till now, because I am still writing and trying to do the word. But once I have used up this guess underscore word function over there, right? So this guess underscore word, you can just get it up over here, and whatever all the functioning is to be done, this all function will be done for the get underscore word. So it's all about, here I have called up that word, that guess underscore word, and it will help me to think up and work up for all of this particular functioning. Pratik, that's the idea. Okay. Hi. Okay. Hi, Atish. Acha, you are in LPU? Oh, great. If you're in LPU, awesome. Pratmesh, hi Pratmesh, welcome to the live stream. Hope you are doing good. Great, so yeah, guess is dot lower and that's done all over. Now I'll be start putting up some of my conditions. Just let me have water, then we can proceed in. Atish, Didi Candy, can you please guide me? I'm a first year student, help you. Sure, Atish. What you can do, um, you can connect with me over LinkedIn. The LinkedIn ID is Shambhavi Gupta. Okay, you can connect with me over LinkedIn, or you can connect with me over Insta also. That is Shambhavi underscore Gupta 4. Fine, you can find me onto these two social medias. You can connect me over there, and further you can take all the advices and whatsoever I needed. Okay, and if you want, you can write up here also in the chat box, and I'll be really happy to answer you out for the same. Great. So next my condition goes that if guessing not in character underscore guess. Okay, so it means that if the guessing is not in the character underscore guess variable, right? So now what next is to be done is next I'll just try to write you character underscore guess dot append, and into the bracket I'll be writing guessing, right? So what I'm just trying to do, I'm just trying to append it up over here, right? I'm just trying to append up this respective guessing word. This whatever is to be done, whatever the things are being into this particular variable which is guessing, I'm just trying to append that to the character underscore guess variable. And character underscore guess variable, that is currently empty, right? So yeah, here is that respective place from here where you can just simply like do the same thing. Okay, and next is that if guess underscore word, right? Next condition goes, and here I'm again gonna apply up that two variables word and the character underscore guess. Now if that is equal to word, it means that if all the things, all the characters have been guessed in right, and all the characters have now been belonging to my word which has to be guessed, so I'll just simply print it up over here something like hooray, right? So you can print it up something like that, and we can print it up a statement over here that print f string. I can just write congrats. Okay, congrats, you got the correct answer. Okay, suitable RECT correct word, and I can print up the word also, and that is, and I can just write it up just like over here, right? So once all the characters and the guessing word is equal, so into that respective case you can print up these statements that hooray, I found it the word, or you can just print in something like congrats, right? These two statements could be taken care of. Otherwise my else condition will again proceed in and the things will work, but before that I'll just try to print in a one thing over here, that is my break statement. Okay, and now after this it will be my I'll say the respective thing over here, and I need to do one thing, and that is like I'll simply try to shifting up this if condition for me. Just a minute, it will go more inside from here, and like this. Okay, this one is all done, right? I'll just try to shifting up all of these respective ones. Now it's all fine, right? Now this else is it's okay, right? And fine, now the break statement is being done, and now it's the time for my else condition over here, cutting back. Now inside this else condition I'll be writing up all of my respective stuffs, like what are different things that I have up over here, and this if, and it will go one step forward over here parallel to the else, right? Now it's all good. Great. So right, am I clear up to this particular place, everyone, about this particular condition which I have applied for if one? Okay. Okay, Atish, Rajiv, I already do it. Okay, Rajiv, it's great if you have done it already. Awesome. Okay, most welcome, Atish. Most welcome. Rikhil, what's the Python developer internships monthly salary in India? See, Nikhil, like internships, it again depends. Like, see, many companies have like they have different stipends, right? If you're talking about the general companies, they have the stipends for 10 to 12, 10 to 15,000, right? If you move a little bit more ahead for the company, some have some 30 to 40,000. If you move more ahead, some have some 60 to 70,000 stipend, right? So, like Nikhil, it is all depending over that what kind of a company it is, right? And what are the things you're having up into that respective company, and just based over the same, we have the respective conditions. So, if that is a thing. Okay. Prateek, ma'am, please guide me. I'm in first year in first year data science. Okay, so Pradeep, for the first year data science, like, yeah, it's awesome that you chose up the data science field. Right now, what you have to do is that, like, you can like start learning up the things, obviously, and apart from that, Pradeep, it's just that key. You should be very much concentrated towards the learning and practicing up of the stuffs, because in data science or any of the fields, practicing stuffs are the most important, right? And I'd say try to implement as much practical implementations as you can, right? Try to implement as much as you can, and yeah, that is what I can suggest you for the same over here. Fine, that will be just my suggestions for you. Rahul, could you please make a video how to get job in startup? Yeah, sure, Rahul. Thank you. Thanks for the lot for the suggestion. I'll just try to bring it up as soon as possible. Vipin, hello, ma'am. Hi Vipin, welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. Java, JavaScript पढ़ाती हूँ. No, Vipin, for now I'm not teaching Java or JavaScript. Currently I'm onto the Python stacks only. Vipin, okay? I'm currently onto the Python itself. Great. So my else condition goes, and here I will be adding up something like let me get in a space for one. Fine. So now inside the else, if the all of these things have not been happening, so what I can add, I can just add in the total chances. I can still keep on reducing my total chances over there, right? So total chances minus 1, because as soon as I'm adding up the stuffs or adding up the things, my chances are getting decreased, right? And I haven't mentioned that thing up till now anywhere over there. So that is what is over here. And if guessing in word, right? It means that if the guessing is into the word at that sort of time, like what will happen is I'll just use the print statement, right? So it will be like you have I'll just print up a character. You have ENTERED. You have entered the correct character. You have entered a correct character, right? I'll be using a plus sign over here, and my variable will be my guessing variable. So print you have entered the correct character and the guessing variable over there, right? And for this I'll be adding up a else condition also. Else what I'll print, I'll just print up that this is not in the word. So I'll just try to write in up that else guessing is not in the word. That is what I'll be needing. 1 second, I'll just try to put in up the inverted quotations, right? So that's what I have, print guessing, and this is not in the word. So this is my other else condition which I had put in up over here. And now after this, like what I will be doing is that I'll be just trying to go outside of all of my loops, and here I'll be calling up this word underscore choice function. Moving outside from all of the stuffs, I'll be just trying to call it over here, over this word underscore choice variable over here. Just a minute. And after that, I will be left out with one last condition that I'll be entering in a short while. Till the time, just confirm me everyone. Am I clear up till this particular place for everyone? Karabo Yugin, thank you. Thanks a lot for subscribing out my channel. Thanks a lot for subscribing out my channel. Okay. Nivas. Okay, it's Niaz. Niaz Ripi, I'm doing internship for data science. Can tell a project topic or idea. Internship on data science, can tell a project topic or idea. Project topic or idea, see, like into that, if you're doing something in data science, so see, again it depends. You want to, like, if you are doing it with the combination of the APIs, or you're doing it with the combination of the any different stuffs, right? Or for that you can just simply take up any respective data, try to visualize it, try to put in the models, right? And try to just simply do up all of those stuffs, right? So that is what is over here, right? Okay, Vipin. Abhinav Tyagi. Okay, you know Mudit Goyal. Abhinav, I'm not sure with this name because it might be that this is one of my either connections or one of my subscribers, so maybe I have met him somewhere. But as in from name, currently I do not remember. Okay, maybe I had either met or somewhere, or maybe he's one of my connections over LinkedIn or subscribers on channel. I'm not sure. Okay, Kartike, thank you. Thanks a lot, Kartike, for subscribing out my channel over here. Okay, Rosie giving you data. Okay, no, Pratik, say us about your roadmap. My roadmap. Pratik, my roadmap to data science, it's been a sort of a little crazy journey because I started 2 years back for the same. Right there, I learned about data science. I have practiced a lot for the same, right? If I had learned, if I used to watching the videos for 2 hours, I used to practice it the same thing for the next 4 hours, right? So Pratik, that was one thing which was the main an essential thing over my whole journey of this data science and the things. Yeah, that's what it is. My roadmap, I practice up the stuffs, I revise up the stuffs every day. I took randomly different types of data sets and started working over all of those from there. So yeah, that's all what I have up here to say to you all about the roadmap. Okay, Pratik, but if you want any special roadmap, you can let me know any specific one. Rostik, your data scientist. Rostik Gaming, I am the youngest data science and DSA educators. Actually, I'm not a data scientist, but I am a youngest data science educators in India. Okay, Rajiv, thank you. Thanks a lot, Rajiv, for subscribing out my channel. Nikhil, my teacher saying Python is Pratik. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Pratik, for subscribing out my channel. Nikhil, my teacher saying Python is a very simple language. Me first one, me second one, me third, me fourth, and fifth. Oh no, Nikhil, Python is really a simple language. You will trust it really if you have learned about C, C++, or Python. You will surely agree to my word that Python is easy. It's super easy rather than any other ones. Nikhil, yeah, currently we completed 20k subscribers, everyone. I guess yesterday only yesterday morning we completed 20,000 subscribers. So yeah, thank you everyone. Thanks a lot for your support, for your love which you people show me always. So yeah, really very thank you for the same to all of you, and for in the future expecting up the same for you all. And yeah, and I'll just try to bring in all the quality content which I can over this channel every time. That's from promise from my side. And yeah, thank you everyone for like going over here. Heather Gauri, how can we switch from web development to data science? See, it's super easy. Like you can shift from web developer to a data science field. It's like you have to from which particular field you are into web development. If it is Python, it will be easier. Otherwise, it will require a little bit of I'll say problem in shifting up from over there, right? So not problem I'll say, but a little difficulty, right? Because it's like you have to learn up a new language over here, but the process is going to be same as the process is going to be that you can start with the Python, right, for the web development. Then in that case you need to learn one programming languages, either Django or your Flask. Okay, so yes, that's what all you have to do for coming. Then you can decide front end and back end and the things at your end. Okay. Okay guys, I'll just complete the project in next 5 minutes and then I'll proceed with your further questions. Okay, just next 10 minutes. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to apply up a condition for while true, right? So while true, I'll just write word is equal to word underscore choice. So that's my like one of the conditions, one of my variables which I'm taking up over here. I'm just calling my word underscore choice function, right? and then I'm calling my collect underscore ALP function, and inside that I'm simply passing up the word. And now I'm going to apply up a condition that if I'll take the input, I will ask the user that do you want to continue this game or not, right? So I'll just write that, do you want to continue? That's my further question. Do you want to continue, right? Dot. I'll put in the lower over here, dot, and I'll be put in the condition over here, dot starts STAR, dot start widths, and I'll just write in start widths n. Okay, if the answer of this particular question is it starts out with n, in that case I will simply break up the statement, and that's all done, right? So I'll just ask him, do you want to continue? If the answer will be yes, it will again get back to my program and start working out. And if the answer is going to be no, so in that case it's going to be giving me the respective I'll just convert everything to the lower, and if my answer is starting with n, so it means that it's going to be no. So in that respective case, it will say me that will break up my loop from there itself, right? So that's how this whole project has to be done in. Okay, what I'll just do, I'll just try to add in some more words over there. As in I have added pycharm, I have added coding. I'll add program. Let's see, 1 second. Program. Okay, 1 second. This one, and then come over here. Then I can even add in let's say some more words. Pycharm done, program done. I can add learning, let's say. Okay, coding is done. Or let's say I can add up your game. Fine, these are some words which more pycharm, program, learning, coding, game I have added in. So that is what at the last we have to do. Right, if you can please check in once, and if there is no questions, we can proceed towards the running of the program. Aditya Bhosle. Ma'am, what say to coding beginners? See, Aditya, coding for beginners, my one suggestion will be there for all of you that try to learn the basics very, very, very clearly. Okay, try to focus over your basics, try to focus up a lot over your logic building at the time when you are learning and when you are at the very beginner level. So at the very beginner level, if you will just start building up your I'll say logic at that sort of time, where you will start working over that things very clearly, right? So at that particular time it will be done. Then further in more of the things you will not be facing any respective sort of problems or anything, right? But if at that time you are not clear with the basics and you think that okay, I have done, I shall proceed in. So at that time, if you're not clear with the basics, further you will be facing some sort of difficulties, right? So just try to make sure that you are not doing this that type of stuff. Okay. Roastic, which course or from where I can do or become a data scientist? Roastic course, I'll say that there are currently many edtechs into the market which are providing you 6 or 7 or 8 months of courses for your data science, data analyst. Right, you can just check out any of the respective currently which are many edtechs are there. You can just check out those, the curriculums for that, the prices for that, and whatever suits you, you can take that one. Right, that's all good. Nikhil, a ghost running over the screen. Nikhil, that's not it. It's a sort of option which I have done. If someone has subscribed out my channel, I'll just want to give a shout out to that person in my live stream only. So that's one of the features which I'm putting. Sam, thank you, thanks a lot. Okay, Roshan, ma'am, data science versus blockchain, which one is good? See, Roshan, both of the different are different fields actually, right? So Roshan, it depends that what respective field you are interested in, right? And what are your respective skill sets, and just that, right? Data science is also a good option. Blockchain is currently also a good option. So it completely depends on to you what is your main field of interest, and into that you can go ahead with. Fine. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just try to run this particular program over here, and then we'll be proceeding in further with the other charts. Okay. Okay, so I just run out the program and see what I'm getting. The word you are going to guess is 7 characters long. You are still left with 14 chances. Okay, 7, so 7 multiplied by 2, 14 chances I have. And word is this. Okay. Let's say I write my guess as P. So yes, I have entered the correct character for my guess, and that is P. Right now I am left out with 13 chances. Let's say I wrote O. Right? So now see, it is showing me that into the middle you have up a P, O. Right? These P2, P and O are the correct programs. Okay, let's see if I write R. Okay, so see, I have P, O, R. That are the 3 letters which I guessed. Right? And see, it is automatically filling up over here. Word is P, R, like that. Right? Let's say I put up G. So P, O, R, G. Now G is not into my respective, neither O is there, neither G is there, because it has not been filled up over here. Okay, what else can I take? If people can help me out with the same. Tell me what can we take in. What different words we have up over here, the 7 character words, and if we can take in, what can we take in? If I take in Y, so yeah, now Y we have up over here. See, now we are left with 9 chances, and now I know what's the next going to be. PY. We can take C, we can take H, we can take A, R is done, we can take M. And see what it is going, it is showing me that congrats, you get the correct word, and that is pycharm, right? So here is my pycharm. And these are all the letters which I have guessed up over there. And now if I write up here N. So see, it simply finished up my complete code over here. I'll once again run it out and show you people how is it working, right? I'll just run it up from you. Now the word which I'm having, that is 6 characters long. Okay, and you're left out with 12 chances. So let's say I wrote over here as C. So C is the first word, right? I write up D. So see, D is my 3rd character. Okay, I write up I. And let's say I is my 4th character over here. I wrote up G. So G is my last characters. I wrote up O and I write up G. N. Okay, so that's my word, which is my coding. So this is how this completely program has been designed, and this is like so awesome. I am really enjoying it playing up over here, because it's very feasible for me to play, because it's helping me to give in the characters, what as I mentioned where, what letters I guess, how many chances I left to it, and everything very clearly. So yeah, so it's all about that particular one. Tanu, sister, can you make videos on statistics and multinomial distribution? Multinomial distribution. Okay, Tanu, if you can once go and check out my statistics playlist, I guess I have completed the multinomial distributions into that one only. Okay, if you can check it once and let me know. Pratik, congratulations for 20k subscribers. Shambhavi, thank you, thanks a lot. Pratik, thanks a lot for that. Mohammed, now it's 20.1k. Okay. Hi Risha, welcome to live stream. Most welcome Gauri, most welcome Shubham. I'll make a video on data science complete roadmap sequence wise. Shubham, you can follow up my roadmaps playlist. Into that you will be getting up a video for data science complete roadmap. I have already over that playlist. So go to the roadmaps playlist and there you will be getting it. Fine, you can watch it from there. Risha, for moving into the for coming into this particular data science field, Risha, again my suggestion for you will be the same. We can go over the roadmaps playlist, right? Into that playlist I have put in up a video for data science roadmap. You can study and get in what is data science, or what is the role, or what is the description, job description, what are the skills needed, and then you can start on with your Python programming language. That is the very first step from which you have to start out. Okay, Rajiv, which PC do you use for code? Rajiv, I'm using I'm using the Lenovo IdeaPad. Okay, Lenovo IdeaPad, that's a laptop which I'm currently using. Ananta, thank you, thanks a lot Ananta, and hi, welcome to the live stream. Hi, welcome to live stream Ananta, and thank you, thanks a lot for the same. Oh, thank you, thanks a lot Mohammed. Ananta, my Insta is I'm in Insta, and my ID is Shambhavi_Gupta4. Okay, it's Shambhavi_Gupta4. You can find me with the same name. Pratik, ma'am, make a video on best data science college in Mumbai. Okay, sure Pratik, thank you, thanks a lot for your suggestion. I'll try to make that one as soon as possible. Rishabh, data science, like data science is one of the fields where you just try to, you collect the data, you process the data, you clean the data, right? You come to some respective output, or you analyze the data and come to different insights from that data, right? That is what data science is. Rishabh, how to start it? The starting procedure, Rishabh, it is, you can start up with your Python programming language. Okay, start with your Python, then move to the Python libraries, then next go to the Tableau, next will be your SQL, then will be your statistics and probability, and then will be your machine learning. That is what is the roadmap, Rishabh. Okay. Pratik, you can refer to my channel only for Python full course. You can refer to my channel only. You can go over the playlist of Python for beginners, and from there you can learn the complete Python very clearly and over there. Okay. Rajiv, oh no, actually no, Rajiv, it's not Gupta 4 times. It's Shambhavi _ Gupta, and then you have to write up the number, which is 4. Okay, if you got that, Shambhavi _ Gupta. Okay, I'll just write that over the screen. Get me a minute, everyone. I am just writing Shambhavi _ Gupta 4. So yeah, guys, this is my Insta ID. Okay, this is my Insta ID. You can just like get connected with me over here. Okay, most welcome, Muhammad. Tanu, I want to share some of the statistics PDF with you, which our teacher shared with us. Can you help me with those PDFs? Yeah, sure, Tanu. You can just connect me with me over this ID of Shambhavi _ Gupta 4. You can connect with me over LinkedIn. LinkedIn, again, the ID is same. That is Shambhavi Gupta, right? You can just connect me over there, and yeah, there you can just further proceed in. Okay. Oh no. Shubham, the playlist for data science. No. You'll get a playlist for roadmaps. Roadmaps is a playlist. Okay. You can just go over that roadmaps, and inside that roadmaps, you will get the roadmap for the data science. Okay. Hi Kanu, I'm new. Okay, glad to have you here. Okay. Kumar. Okay, Kumar ma'am, I'm fresher for coding. Can you give me any suggestion for learning a program? See, Kumar, my one suggestion will be that you should practice as much as you can. Okay, try to build up the basics. Try to build up your logic from the very basics only, right? So that is what is my suggestion to you, and just try to practice as much as you can, as much as it is possible. Try to practice up over there. And yeah, that is what is my respective advice for you. Okay. Ananta, here I have highlighted it onto the screen. Just check it out. It's Shambhavi _ Gupta 4. This is my Insta ID. Okay. Shambhavi _ Gupta 4. Please, I do have taken 8. Only need guidance. Sure. You can just like take guidance from me over there. I have highlighted that ID Shambhavi _ Gupta 4. You can find me with that same name. Great. So fine, everyone. I hope you all might have enjoyed making up this project over here with me. I really enjoyed a lot making up this project with you all over here, and I was very happy to have you all over here into this live stream, guys. And yeah, so I'll again meet you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the evening, with some more things for you all. Okay, most welcome, Kumar. Rishabh, ma'am, which language I prefer for coding? Rishabh, it depends that which field you want to go. If you want to go to web development, you can take Java, JavaScript. If you want to go into software, you can take C or C++, right? If you want to come in data science and other stuff, you can simply take in, I'll say just if you want to come in data science, you can take Python, fine? So these are the like programming languages which you can prefer. It depends to your field, which field you want to go in, fine? Abhinav, you're from which college? Abhinav, you can just go over the Josh Talks channel and you can just watch out my Josh Talks video. You'll get to know all the things about me. Okay. Okay. Fine everyone, fine. So, okay, just a second. Okay, sure, Kanu, you can join the next class. Rohit, Rohit, again, it will depend on to your choice that what is your respective field in which you want to go. Okay, and from that only you can just like simply choose in about your respective language. If you want to come into data science and stuff, so you can go with Python. If you want to go to web development, choose Java, JavaScript, like that. Okay, that's all about. Thank you, Mama. Thanks a lot for the same, Shubham. If you know, okay, which you have uploaded, can I? Yeah, sure, Shubham. You can learn all the stuff from my videos, and yes, you'll be better. It's just that at your end, you'll be requiring up some practice at your ends also. Okay. Rohit, I'm a big fan of your from. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot, Rohit. Thanks a lot. Okay, Kano, it's great. You can join me in the next session. Okay, fine. So thank you so much everyone for joining me into this session. Thank you everyone for being here. I enjoyed a lot with you all. So I'll see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the evening with some more new projects and some more things for you all. So till then, thank you everyone. Take care and have a great week ahead, everyone. Bye bye everyone and take care.